This is Goodbye Gluten's restaurant review of the Sunriver Brewing Company. Now, if you're wanting to get your grub on for gluten-free food, just under the Hyatt place in the Oakway Park Center northeast of downtown Eugene, Oregon, is this funky little joint called the Sunriver Brewing Company with some die for gluten-free foods. Now, this place has 2 stories of a nice, cozy atmosphere, college town, but it's a great place for you and your family and friends to grab some grub, meet each other up. And then they also got some really friendly staff who are going to be bringing you some awesome food. But don't take my word for it, just check out this video.
I got the bacon Brew burger. It has some really thick sliced bacon on it, some cheese, tomatoes, and I got it on a lettuce wrap.
That looks like a
fries.
real lettuce wrap.
Yeah.
Not like Wendy's.
Yep.
Okay, so I got the Brew burger on a gluten-free bun. I mean, it looks good. It's fluffy. I got all the trimmings, onion. They got a garlic aioli. Oh, that garlic aioli is awesome. Fries.
That they do in a dedicated fryer.
Yeah, these are in a dedicated fryer. I already asked. And then I also have a gluten-free margarita. That is really good burger.